Let's turn your spreadsheet into clear, easy-to-understand charts and reports. In this lesson, you'll learn how to sort and filter data, manage header rows, and create charts that make trends and patterns much easier to understand. Let's get started. As your table grows, finding information manually becomes more difficult. Sorting lets you arrange your data in a specific order, such as alphabetically or from highest to lowest. Select any cell in the table, then open the Organize sidebar. Under Sort, choose the column you want to sort by. For example, let's sort the name column from A to Z. The entire table is rearranged while keeping each row together. You can also sort numbers from smallest to largest or largest to smallest, depending on what you're working with. Sometimes one level of sorting isn't enough. For example, imagine a table containing departments and employee names. You can first sort by department, then sort each department alphabetically by name. Simply add another sorting rule in the Organize sidebar. This makes large tables much easier to browse. Sorting changes the order of your data, while filtering temporarily hides information you don't need. Suppose you have a list of students and only want to view those who scored above 80. Open the Organize sidebar and choose Filter. Add a filter, select the Marks column, and choose the condition you want. Immediately, only the matching rows remain visible. The hidden rows haven't been deleted. They're simply hidden until you remove the filter. Once you finish analyzing your data, you can show everything again. Return to the Filter section and remove or disable the filter. Your complete table appears exactly as before. Header rows help identify the information in each column. Most tables already include a header row, but you can change the number if needed. Select the table, open the Format sidebar, and under Table, adjust the header row setting. Keeping clear headings makes your spreadsheet much easier to understand, especially as it grows. Just like header rows, you can also create header columns. These are useful when the first column contains labels that you want to keep separate from the rest of your data. Adjust the header columns option in the same section. If your spreadsheet contains many rows, the headings can disappear as you scroll. Numbers keeps header rows visible automatically, making it easy to see what each column represents. This is especially helpful when working with larger tables. Charts turn rows of numbers into easy-to-read visuals. To create one, first select the data you want to display. Now click the Chart button in the toolbar. You'll see several chart categories, including 2D, 3D, and interactive charts. Let's start with a simple column chart. The chart appears instantly on the canvas. If you want the labels from the first column, such as student names or months, to appear on the horizontal axis, make sure that column is set as a header column. Select the table. Open the Format sidebar. Go to Table and set header columns to 1 if it isn't already. Otherwise, numbers may display generic labels like Untitled 1, Untitled 2, and so on instead of your actual data labels. Just like tables and images, charts can be moved anywhere on the page. Click the chart and drag it to a new location. You can also drag the corner handles to make it larger or smaller. Try placing the chart beside your table, so both are easy to compare. By default, your chart includes a title. Double-click the title to edit it. Replace it with something more descriptive, such as monthly sales, student marks, or expense summary. A clear title helps viewers understand the chart immediately. Not every chart is suitable for every type of data. Click the chart, then open the Format sidebar. You can switch between different chart styles at any time. Column charts are great for comparing values. Line charts are ideal for showing changes over time. Pie charts work well when showing parts of a whole. Bar charts are useful for comparing categories. Choose the style that best represents your information. Numbers automatically applies colors to your chart, but you can customize them. Select the chart and explore the styling options in the Format sidebar. Choose colors that are clear and easy to distinguish. Simple, consistent colors usually produce the most professional results. The legend explains what each color represents. If your chart contains multiple data series, keeping a legend visible can make it easier to understand. If it's unnecessary, you can hide it to create a cleaner layout. For charts with horizontal and vertical axes, you can customize the labels and scale. Select the chart and explore the axis settings in the Format sidebar. This helps make charts easier to read, especially when presenting data to others. Numbers also includes interactive charts that allow you to explore larger datasets. These charts let you move through your data using a slider instead of displaying everything at once. They're especially useful for presentations or reports containing lots of information. Before creating a chart, think about what you're trying to show. If you're comparing values, a column or bar chart is usually the best choice. If you're showing trends over time, choose a line chart. If you're displaying proportions, a pie chart often works well. Selecting the right chart makes your data much easier to understand. One of the best things about charts and numbers is that they're linked to your data. If you change a value in the table, the chart updates automatically. There's no need to recreate it every time your data changes. You've now learned how to sort and filter data, manage header rows and columns, and create charts in Apple Numbers. You also know how to customize chart titles, colors, legends, and chart types to present your data more clearly. In the final part of this series, we'll look at sharing your spreadsheets, exporting them in different formats, collaborating with others, and a few productivity tips to help you work faster in Apple Numbers.